Um, so firstly, according to me, unmarried life is much better in married, because in unmarried life you have to live alone. You have to just look at your parents and your aim. Especially, you have to focus on your aim. If you have sibling, that your sibling will take care of your parents and cook, and you can completely give your all attention to your aim. But if you are married, you have to take care of your husband, of your in-laws, and if you have any other one, then you have to care for them, and the responsibility get doubled, and you have very less time to give your aim.
So, if you're married, how to why everyone opinion is if you're married then responsibility increase. If you're born,
That's the truth.
if you're born in a girl, so then responsibility also come. If you care about your father, if you care about your mother, then why you don't care about your brother-in-law? This is all.
I'm not denying that you can't care of your brother-in-law. You can, but I'm saying that if you firstly care your parents and give your time to your aim. After that, give your get married or do whatever you want.
If my opinion is, if any girl are a mistake and any girl wants something in your life in goal, then they deny to marry. Firstly, they don't marry. If you are married, then I think my opinion is, if sometime, according to my opinion, 5% girls are forcefully married. They are interested in study but are married. If they are married, then they are
5% are forced, but the other 15 to 20% are the because their parents are not sufficient to give their money to send their girl to the
So
school
you
or
accept
college.
that. You accept that your if parent doesn't have money, they don't send their daughter college and school, then they get married. Because if they have no money, then they get their daughter married and their responsibility they get her husband. So parents also think that if they have not money and they have not able to responsible for my girl, then they are already ready to marry her girl. So why marriages?
But after marriage, no one can. Very less of the person have sent their wife to go to college, to go to school, to go anywhere. They was just like,
In this year, in 2025, you talk about this is very wrong statement. According to 85% of girls are married and they come to study and they
but can they beat the students who are not married, who give them most of the time to their aim? Not any like not they have to. They don't have to care for any in-laws or husband. So they can give more time.
let me one thing. If you are living in your parents' house, you
Okay.
care your mother, you care your father.
Of
Then
course.
you are live in your in-laws' house. Then why you don't care about your in-law?
I didn't say I will not take care of them, but the responsibility is double. I have to give more time.
Why responsibility is double?
If you are in a if you are unmarried, then you have a siblings that can help you in cooking, and the work is completed fastly. But in in-laws home, you don't have anyone.
You have sister-in-law.
No, you
Sister-in-law.
think if sister-in-law is married, then she's at her in-laws home, then.
They're only telling with sister-in-law.
They're also
They're also sister-in-law.
your husband's brother's wife.
Brother's wife.
Why? And you think your brother's-in-law's wife means your sister-in-laws will help you?
Yes, I think.
She's also daughter-in-law of the family.
But sir, they don't. You also know that what's going in the joint families or separate family. They just want a property. They won't help
They
you.
also are girl. They also are married. Then they married. So why did I say they
You
don't?
also know that no one helps you in laws. In law.
No, I don't accept that. I also.
You really don't?
No, yes.
Such a liar.
Don't go personally, just speak about the topic.
Okay, give me another term.
First you give me, I'll answer.
Okay. According to my opinion, sir, I can share my mom and my maternal grandmother always say when life is real life is start when you are married with a good person. So my
Good person.
yes. So my opinion is married life is better. Firstly, if I share my opinion, I always think that you can say I always dream it. One day I live in out of the India, but I share my thought with my mom. My mom always scold me. How to How do you think that? How to leave you alone? And I am always say that, "Ki, Mom, one day I will definitely live in Korea." But my mom always scold me. But one day I told my mom, "Mom, don't worry, I am not alone. When I'm married, then I live in Korea." Then my mom is well satisfied and they smile. Then they think she smiled. Sorry, she smiled. Then her opinion is ki when they married, then they go. So let me complete. If you are unmarried, then your parents don't permission, then you go anywhere. If you are come in any even if you come in Lucknow to Azamgarh, but your mom never permission to give come alone. But you are partner, you have partner, then your parents have permission to you come.
We are siblings. We have same father and mother. I also want to live alone. I also want to go Korea and live alone. And I also told my mother. When my mother told me alone, I will not give you permission. I always give answer when the person is successful. The parents' minds already got changed. They are live in different areas now.
But what
Why you study? Why you first? Let me complete first.
Okay.
Why you are studying so hard to get successful, to get independent? So what is the reason for studying if you can't even travel a single state or a country alone?
Yes, you change your mind, but you don't change your parents'
There are many girls who came from very small village, but they are traveling alone because their parents' minds are also changed because they are seeing another world.
They are lot of they are
Criteria.
नहीं reserve करके आती हैं ऑटो को.
They reserve the auto.
They reserve the auto and a lot of girls in their auto. Then they come. When they are girls alone, then parents never permit you can go and attend the college. Even exam are coming, but their parents doesn't allow.
But you study just to get independent, not for any person who get you.
It's your opinion. It's my opinion, not our parents'
It's your opinion. It's your opinion.
Yes,
He's saying it's your opinion.
it's your opinion.
She's saying it's your opinion. It's my
I'm
opinion.
saying ki in this generation opinion, but not your parents' opinion. You doesn't change your
You
parents'
can
opinion.
change. If you're independent,
No.
if you're successful, then you can change.
No, you doesn't change your parents' opinion.
You can.
No.
Yes, you can.
What you mean? It's become successful. You start earning money. That means you are successful.
No, sir. If you start earning money, if you go with your parents, firstly with your parents to another city or another country, they will see that all girls are already successful. They are traveling alone. So my daughter is already
But if
safe.
parents deny, they don't come. They live in India. They live in our family. What should
What
you
do
do?
you do then?
Sorry.
If parents deny, they don't come and they don't live in India. They live in our family. So, then what should we do?
Then why are you studying? Just don't study and just directly get married. Why you need to get successful? Just carry a bodyguard with behind yourself and say, please protect me.
Let me one thing. If you are more successful in your life, tell me
Okay.
one thing. You are not married.
Married after being successful? Exactly.
You are married. Why
Okay.
you are married? If you are successful, then why
Because
you are
it's
married?
need. Because it's a universal
That's
need.
married at need.
But it's need.
That she accept. That's married
Yeah,
at
yeah,
need.
alright.
But after an age.
Yeah.
But unmarried life, it's a differentiate between married and unmarried. Unmarried life is much better than married, even after studying or not.
If unmarried life is much better, then you are more successful. Why are you interested in married? You are
Because
living
it's
alone.
universal need, because it's universal culture.
Yeah, because
Universal
after
culture.
getting old, we have need of children. When we become big,
Then you have married. Then you have married.
When you are born, directly get married. Why you live unmarried life, even for 18
This
years?
is not possible.
Not possible.
Okay.
Okay.
My opinion is you are always saying if you are successful, then you are doesn't need married. You say,
I never said that. I never
what's
said
your
that.
opinion? Tell me one thing.
You are saying that at a certain age you get married. So you also live an unmarried life before 1 to 18 or any years. You live
So
now.
I deny.
So you are saying wrong statement.
I deny unmarried life is not better. Married life is better. Then I got my and then I'm married.
Why you think married life is better?
Many of I have many reasons for.
Tell me some.
okay, good, very good.